Check out this dirty water submersible pump kit. It is really good for removing water from those flooded areas like the garage, or removing the dirty water from your pond, or pretty much for moving any dirty water from one spot to another. As the pump submerges in the water, this float will lift up and then it will turn on, and as the water gets pumped out, the float will slowly go down and switch off. Now let's check out what's in the box. You've got your user manual with all the instructions on how to install your pump, a universal adapter, an L-shaped connector, a stainless steel hose clamp, a 10-metre flat discharge hose, a 20-metre rope, a 10-metre long cord, and of course you've got your strong stainless steel dirty water submersible pump. What I really love about this pump is everything you need to set it up comes in the box, which means it's really good for those emergency flood situations.